I make hands up.
Where camera ready?
No camera today. I just show the police tell me done that so. And then I watch me right now.
Alright. Move right in front.
You know what weapon?
Move right in front.
My hand back of my head, you know.
Oi.
See the weapon there, brother?
Move right in front of me. With your camera connected and your whatsoever connected and your whatsoever on the right hand side. Yeah, man.
So, and then I heard him done? And then I heard him done? A man just do a wheel in front of you. You cannot charge. That's what?
Excuse.
I'm up on a public street, brother.
No, you're there in a my space. Yeah, man.
You still in space? Yo, don't use my banana for you, you know.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, when I see that video, yeah, I think it was one of the funniest videos I've ever seen in a long time. And it's a young man, I use a banana for rob a bank. Yo, me give them credit cause them have balls, but what are the biggest thing? Why would I say, me always say Jamaica is not a real place. Just look how people react to this situation. It's a short video, I'ma find it funny and refreshing. So sit back and enjoy. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on the next video.
I got rob a bank right now.
Come here. Go on.
Don't move, you know. Don't move, you know. Do not move. If you move. Rob me around the bank, is it me? Yeah, so just put about $1 million into that. Big man, I'm serious, you know. I rob me around the bank, fill out the money, you know. Huh? Yeah. Don't use this for you, you know. Come in, you know. Yo. Big man, rob me around the place, you know. Oh. No man, we not use him right now. Come on, fill out the bank. Don't use this, you know. See this? You help on this? It's a dangerous weapon, yeah? Am I not? Everybody, calm down. Me rob the bank. It's okay, just calm down. Yo, fill up this now.
General.
Big man.
Yo, hold on. Step outside, you're a joker.
Yo, what do you mean I'm a joker, brother?
Step outside.
What do you mean? Yo, don't come close to me now. Yo, rob the bank, you know.
Outside.
So, wait. What's up? Big man. See, I push me.
What's up? You're boy, you can't run back with banana. Pussy one.
Yo, me use this pan, brother. Yo, don't push me again, youth. Hey, look, it's a good day this day, eh? Yo, him lucky it's a good day him catch me pantina, dog. Yo, and next day I'm gonna rob that place. Yo, and next day I'm rob it still. Sorry. Officer, want to declare something? You see me? You not interested? I'm taking out the mask. Yeah, me have Got a weapon for me, I'm on gear.
What weapon?
See the right, sir?
What that?
Yeah, make hands up.
But you camera ready.
No camera today. I just show the police tell me down there, sir. And then I watch me right now.
Alright.
Yeah,
Move right in front of me.
You know what weapon?
Move right in front
My hand back of my head, you know.
Oi.
See the weapon there, brother?
Move right in front of me. With your camera connected and your whatsoever connected and your whatsoever on the right hand side. Yeah, man.
Yo,
We're not here like that. You're going for life. We're going with
So, and then I heard him done.
that.
And then I heard him done. A man just do a wheel in front of you. You cannot charge. That's what?
Excuse.
Me dep on a public street, brother.
No, you're there in my space. Yeah, man.
You still in the space? Yo, don't use my banana for you.